Okay, this is problem number 58 from the Giancoli textbook. I've got a motor that has a rated power of 1750 watts. We're trying to lift this mass of 315 kilograms, a height of 4 stories or 16 meters. This is given information in the problem. Think of it this way: as the motor turns, the cord gets wrapped around the motor shaft and the mass is lifted up. We're being asked, how much time is this going to take in order for that to happen? For starters, as soon as you see this idea of power, you should be thinking, all right, power is a rate. It's the rate at which work is done or which energy changes. So I can write it as this. This is by definition, right? Algebraically, work divided by time. It's a rate. I could also think about it as the change in gravitational potential energy in this problem. And if I call the ground my reference plane or position 0, then the change in gravitational potential energy is going to be the final minus the initial, where the initial is 0. So this just becomes then power is my final gravitational potential energy, which I can write as mgh, technically minus my initial potential energy, which is 0, divided by time. I'm solving this for time, so it's going to be mgh divided by the rated power in watts. Now I'm just going to plug some numbers in. I've got to put in the mass. 315 kilograms. I'm running out of space here. So then I'll put the acceleration due to gravity, 9.8 meters per second. These are all multiplied. The height here is 16 meters. So these are all multiplied by each other. And I'm going to divide it by the rated power of 1750 watts. Keep in mind that the numerator is in joules. It's an energy unit. The denominator is in watts, which is a joule per second. So I have joules over joules per second. My answer is going to be in seconds, and I get 28.2 seconds as my answer to this problem.